Today, we will be discussing how to replace the swivel on a Series 4000 reel. This video also applies to Series 5000 reels. Before you begin, make sure all pressure has been completely removed from the system to prevent accidents. Begin by pulling out the hose completely and locking the reel into place. Next, unthread the hose from the swivel and set it aside. Place the wrench on the large nut on the swivel assembly and turn it counterclockwise until the swivel unthreads from the reel shaft. Inspect the shaft to ensure the threads are still in good condition. Now you can install the new swivel by turning it clockwise until it seals against the O-ring. For medium and high pressure models, apply thread sealant to the new swivel before installing it onto the reel. Now you can install your hose. Pull on your hose and retract it back into place. Now you're ready to use your new swivel on your Series 4 and 5000 reels. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.